I'm Arman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here for another exciting thing. It's called Party Favor with the plants. We're going to put this. I'm using these plants. It's called the Pothos. I'm going to do a very good gift idea for plants. I'm using this pot with some soil inside. You see the soil? This is another great idea, which is a jar, a vase, which has pebbles in it, and it grows with water. We're going to do a small craft with plants. I washed the sticker off of every jar. Safety scissor. We have this in this safety scissor to cut these pothos branches. Then we have these gift tissue papers. These gift tissue papers. And then we have these ribbons to tie. We have silver and gold. Special colors. This is called the node. Look at these. These are called roots. Let's cut. One before the root, one be after the root. After we're done, you just need to hold the leaves like this. Put these two things. You hold all of these like this and put it in a jar like this. Just like this, and also like this. All done. Let's add one more. Put it and add it. And now it looks good and fun. How this one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. add one more. Done. How about these one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Could add one more to make it 5. Then I'll be fine. Put and done. Looks perfect. How many does this have? 1, 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6. 6? Look good and nice. How about these? I hope I need more plants because we got them. Wait. Put everything back and see what happens. Okay, now let's see. How much does this have? I think this looks less. Let's add one more. Let's add this. Oops. Add one. Put it down. Done. Looks good to me and happy. How about this plant? This plant doesn't have any. Let's put one in. Done. I put this one in. Okay. Done. Oh, we need to put this one. Which one? This one needs one. I didn't give any. Let's put it. This one. This one doesn't fit. Let's put it over here. Looks good. Good to me. And what about this plant? Put one in. I think we already given you plants already. And done. Let's water my plant until it's full. Let's start with this one. Be careful, very careful. And this one is perfect. Next one, here comes. Okay. Okie-dokie. Okie-dokie. Take a gift wrapping tissue like this and wrap it like this. And put a rubber band. So untie, that's how it is. Then you know what you do after that? Then put these. How good they are. You see the bow down here? It's a nice bow. And it looks sweet. And look at this one. Look, you see this glass a little bit? Oh, we should cover it. Done.